Now here's a door handle. It's a pretty typical door handle. This is an external door handle, but it works the same for internal as well. Now this one here doesn't have any screws at all, so I'm going to show you how we go about to getting this one off here. No tools required, just the cordless drill is all we're going to use. And we'll pop off these couple of screws. We've got these 2 screws here that come out of here, and this is what we're going to unlock this with, one of these screws. Now if you have a look in around here, you'll see a pinhole. You see right in there, there's a hole, usually at the back. Now that's it there. Alright, so what we do now is take this screw here that you see, and we're going to push it into that hole. Alright, give it a little wiggle, and what will happen, it'll depress a spring, and then that will pop out there. So do you see that? That's how it popped out. And this one here, there's a little clip here, right there, you see that one? So we're just going to use a screwdriver, put that in there, and give that a little twist. You see what happened then? I twisted it and it popped off. It shows the screws. So we just get our cordless drill then, rip them out. Little helpful tip from the painter.